tutorial today in the middle of Times Square. I'm going to use a bunch of my Glamonizers products. We're going to do lots of glitter, and I hope you guys like it. Also, shout out to Glamcore for giving me this really awesome mirror to work with. I love you guys at Glamcore. This is going to be fun. And the sun is like right in my face. Where you two from? Alright guys, so we're taking Glamonizers glitter gels. I told you guys that I would show you how to use these and talk all about them in my next video, and that is now. So I'm going to be applying these in my hair. This is in the shade Rave Queen. This sun though?
Perfect.
This sun? Yes.
You're on live. Okay.
look. I hope that you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. I wanted to do something that was kind of like outside of the box and different, especially because of the new show that I'm in on Lifetime, Glam Masters. Shout out to Glamcore for giving me that mirror. It was so helpful in doing this look, and I really enjoyed using it. They have the best lighting and the best mirrors for sure, especially as far as it being portable. Secondly, I want to shout out my brand Glamonizers, because without Glamonizers, I wouldn't be as glittery as I am. I wouldn't have the opportunity to go as outside of the box with my looks. The glitter I'm wearing in my hair, on my face, and everywhere is my pressed glitter shadows and my glitter gels from Glamonizers. All of the links will be in the description below, so you guys can shop those. The color I use the most is called Rave Queen, so if you guys want to get a glitter gel, that one would be the best one. The rhinestones are from Michaels, and everything else is just regular shadow palettes. House of Lashes, because without that lash glue, I would not ever be able to do anything with my rhinestones. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next one.